Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your lightning quick update on all things tech. I've got my hands on the much-anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me tell you, my excitement levels have gone from meh to wow, faster than this phone's processor. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into what's new, what's hot, and what's got me hooked on the latest from Samsung. Are you ready? Let's flash into the future of phones. About to drop the Galaxy F35 and F55, and let me tell ya, they're seriously upping their game in the repair department. The word's out with some fresh scores that promise you won't need a tech whiz to fix them up. France's got the first peek, showing the F35 and F55 beating last year's models on the repairability front. And the F55? It's scoring a solid 8.5 out of 10, folks. Here's the kicker. Samsung's focusing on making these babies less of a headache to pull apart and patch up, with parts you can actually find. That's a win for all you DIYers out there. Now, onto the looks. We've caught a glimpse of some snazzy colors coming our way, like ice blue, lilac, and classic navy. The F55's rocking a sleek Infinity O screen, keeping it minimalist with just a tiny spot for the selfie cam. The F35? It's sticking with the tried-and-true Key Island setup. Under the hood, both phones pack a punch with a hefty 5,000 mAh battery, zippy 25-watt fast charging, and rumor has it, they'll be tough cookies with an IP67 rating to brush off dust and water. Not to mention, Knox Security's there to keep your stuff safe and sound. All in all, it's like Samsung's giving us the sturdy, user-friendly phones we've been waiting for. Pumped about the Galaxy F55? Drop your 2 cents in the comments, and hey, hit that like button and subscribe for the latest deets. Catch you on the flip side. And that's a wrap on today's glimpse into the tech horizon with Future Phone Flash. If you enjoyed our journey with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and are feeling that techie tingle, smash that like button and join the Future Phone Flash fam by subscribing. We've got a galaxy of content coming your way, and you won't want to miss out. Until next time, stay plugged in, stay charged, and as always, flash forward with us. Peace out, tech lovers.